Welcome. Today I want to show you about creating quick parts. In your Word document, if there's some text that you need to type again and again, and what you often do is go find an old document, copy the information, and then come back and paste it in the document that you're working. Now that takes up a lot of time searching for information. With quick parts, you can have numbers, bullets, all the formatting you like, tables, hyperlinks, photos. So I'm going to show you how to set one up. So what I've got is a set of directions that I need to give to people all the time. So find the text, select it. So as I said, it can have formatting, bullets, numbering, hyperlinks. Have the text selected. From the Insert tab, select Quick Parts. Use Save Selection to Quick Parts Gallery. And give it a quick name, so directions will do. And I'm going to store it in Quick Parts. I'm now going to select OK. The idea is if I'm in a brand new document and I'm typing away and I now want that text to be inserted, I can go to Insert, Quick Parts, and it's there. All I need to do is click on it and it comes in. And you can create as many of these as you like. You can also have these in Outlook. Now the ones you create in Outlook will be for the purpose of using in Outlook, and the ones in Word will be for the purpose of using Word, so they won't cross over. If you do need to delete it, you'll need to go into Building Blocks Organizer, find it in the list, and then delete it from there. Thank you for watching. Hope that was useful. Have a look at more links in the description area.